Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Afro Gardener. Today I'm going to be making some updates to the rock garden bed. Let's get into it.
I dream of you and can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you and can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you and can I help it if I dream of you
Hey guys, so like I was saying, I'm going to be making some updates to my rock garden bed. About 2 years ago, I made a rock garden bed out of some landscaping rocks. I really liked the way that it looked, but I just want to build it up a little bit more, make it a little bit deeper. And so I'm going to be doing that today. Now, I'm bringing the rocks from all the way over there, where our makeshift fire pit is, all the way over here. I can't use a wheelbarrow because it's going to be way too heavy for me to push or pull, and so I'm having to bring some of the bigger rocks over by hand. And they're heavy, they're really heavy. But I hope y'all enjoy this, enjoy watching me bring these rocks over here. And I kind of want to show you how I go about just maneuvering the rocks and setting them up in a way where they'll be flat and they won't move.
Guess what? I'm doing this fire thing.
Yeah.
And put a light here so they can explore. But look, I put a leaf on them so they don't get cold.
Yeah.
So they can't escape. Mom, they're trying to escape.
It's okay.
Ah!
Oh.
Ah! Ah! It's escaped. Somebody get it. Ah! It escaped.
The worms are escaping.
Huh?
Like I said, these are heavy. This is the one I was just, hold on. This is the one I was just moving. And these are some that I moved earlier. As you can see, these are relatively, it's like a half moon. And so I'm trying to raise this side up just as much as this side. Oh my gosh. These are so heavy. See, this acts as like a mortar, right? And so it keeps the rocks like stuck in place. Got one out. I'm just trying to get the other one out. I'm sure this one is big. Ugh. Y'all see this? Whew. So what I'm actually gonna do is take some of this and take it over to the rock garden bed and use it to kind of seal and compact the rocks together. Woo! All right. Whew. All right, now I have my dirt here and it's pretty moist. So I'm just gonna be taking it and filling these spaces. Just to keep the rocks stay in place. that is all for this video. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.